This toilet has a special flushing system that can fully wash the bowl surface and prevent waste from sticking. It has a glaze that is ultra smooth ceramic coating that minimizes waste from the surface and makes the cleaning a lot easier. It meets the ADA height requirement, meaning someone like me who is on the taller end won't have to squat so low to sit down. It has a rimless design that eliminates places where the waste can build up and makes it easier to clean. It has a large water spot that reduces places where the waste can cling onto the bowl and keeps odor down. At least in my case, I know for sure that I have needed to clean my toilet less often because of these advanced features. It also has a wide 3-inch flush valve and a siphon jet bowl that gets the job done a lot faster with a lot less water. So it saves me a little bit per year in water usage. And overall, in a nice little package that is a little bit different from normal toilets on the areas that matter, but not too different that you'll feel strange from having a new toilet. This toilet has a glaze that is ultra smooth ceramic coating that minimizes waste from the surface and makes the cleaning a lot easier. I can say for myself, I had to clean this toilet a lot less because none of the dirt or germs have been sticking to the inside of the bowl. It also meets the ADA height requirement, meaning someone who is a bit on the taller side won't have to squat all the way down to sit down. It also has a rimless design that prevents places that can build up with waste and make it a lot easier to clean. It also has a wide 3-inch valve that has a siphon jet bowl that gets the job done a lot better, but also reduces the water usage, saving a lot on my water bills.